This is how to use the makey extension to make combos. First, you need the makey extension right here. And grab the when up, left, up, right block. Then grab a join block and then change it up and make sure you have a space separating everything. You can change it to up, down, left, right, each of these. I'm just going to do a fairly simple one. It's only ups and downs. So, no, oh, and I put it in. Okay, that was bad. Now, let's get back to this. So, we need joins. Just add them together. That will be perfect what we're going to use them for. Okay. So, you don't have to do as many as you want. As many or as little will work for this. Okay, so now I've got the entire thing. Now, put up, down, left, right. Any of those. I'm going to do just an up, down one, so it's simple, just for the tutorial. Make sure to put a space after every single one. I did forget, so let me fix that. Now, let's take a sec to type everything in. Remember to put a space at the end. And you go, just put into the makey and just gonna add some random code. So yeah, I'll just make it spin forever, just so we can tell something happened. Now this should work if I type in that code. So let me try it. Yeah, now Scratchy is spinning. So that is the end. I hope you enjoyed.